How to turn on restricted mode on YouTube. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on restricted mode on YouTube using your PC or laptop. Restricted mode helps filter out potentially mature content while browsing YouTube. Start by opening your preferred web browser and go to youtube.com. Then sign into your YouTube account if you haven't already. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click on Restricted Mode. You'll see a toggle switch for restricted mode. Simply turn it on to enable the feature. Once enabled, YouTube will automatically refresh and help hide videos that may contain mature or sensitive content. If you want to disable restricted mode later, follow the same steps and turn the toggle off. That's it! You've successfully turned on restricted mode on YouTube. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.